This is automatic one-head inset housing and soldering machine. This machine can change two different kind of housing. This is 2-pin housing, and this is the 3-pin housing. You can see the finished sample. This is 9-pin cable, 9-pin housing. One head is soldering, one head inset housing. And this is two cable, and the other head soldering. And this two kind of housing is easy to change. You can see this fading well. And if you want to change the housing, you just need to change the clip and change the OTP terminal mode and the terminal. Here have the 10 cable feeding machine. This can output 4 cable, and other can output 6 cable. And here have the 2 thinner part. And here the cable length you can customize. If you want the length more, you can add this part to the long position. And this machine is controlled by the servo motor and have the CFM test, pressure test. Here is the touch screen. 你看看这个。It is. We also have the English system. Okay, and here is the 10 roller. Here is the 9 roller. This is the 9 roller cable feeding fan. So the cable feeding speed is the same as the machine. Okay, you can check the machine outside shape.